Hello, my friends, and welcome to coding exercise number 1. In this exercise, we are asked to write a program that gets from the user two numbers and displays their division and remainder. I want from you to pause the video and think about how to write such a program in Kotlin. And by the way, I'm waiting your solutions in the comment below. So copy and paste your solutions and I can help you if there is an error or any mistake. Let's create a new project in Android Studio. I choose a new or no activity. I will name my project Kotlin Exercises and language is Kotlin. I click on finish and everything should be working fine. Waiting Android Studio to set up the project and generate the Gradle build. Then let's go to the app, Java, Kotlin exercises. I need to create a new Kotlin file here. I will name it as exercise. Okay. And inside this exercise, I'll create main function, and here we start writing our codes. I hope you pause the video and think about this exercise, how to get input from the user, how to get the division and the remainder of these two numbers. So I will start by creating and getting the numbers from the user. So I will create a var scan or s1 equal to scanner object. Okay, and here I will use system.in. This is how we get the input from the user. Okay, we use the scanner object. This is an object that we will use later on in the next lines, but I need to print for the user a message telling him, please enter a number. Then I will var x equal to s1 dot next int. Next int is used to get the input, the integer input of the scanner of the input user. So the user enters x, enters 5, for example, it will be storing 5 inside this variable x. So in this case, we have introduced and learned about how to get the input from the user by using the scanner object. Okay, and var, let me print again here, please enter second number, var y equal to s1 dot next int. Okay, so I need to get the first two numbers and I will divide them by creating here a var result equal to x over y, and var, this is the division, or div, I will name it as div result, and here the var of remainder equal to x modulo y. So you remember the modulo, this is the operator for display and getting the remainder of the division. So for example, if x equal to 10 and 5 is y, then 10 over 5 will give us the division result equal to 2, while the remainder will equal to 0 because there is no remainder in this case. Print the remainder or the division, the result equal to div result, and the remainder is a remainder. Okay, this is the variable remainder. So this is the program. Now let's run the program and see. I choose here exercise KT, run the program, don't miss it. Waiting for the program. And here we go. Please enter the number. I will enter 10. Please enter the second number 5. The result is equal to 2 and the remainder is 0. Congratulations, guys. We have successfully created this program and we introduced and learned about the scanner, how to use the scanner, how to get the input from the user and display the result of the division and the remainder.